Okay. What's good, all you Cool-Bloo people? Name's Scholar, and I'm back for another video finally after uh a week or so. Just dealing with stuff. Yeah. Sorry about that. But this video is about to be based on one of my favorite games. And I don't know how many of y'all know about this game, but it's one of my favorites personally. If y'all haven't heard of this game, y'all have at least heard of Gorilla Tag. Except this game right here is a lot more interactive and stuff. And there's like weapons and stuff, monsters, you could fight against them and stuff. And there's like lots of items and there's like more than one currency in this game, basically. So hold up. Yeah, okay. But yeah, this game is called Animal Company. And you could also literally like hold up. But yeah. Okay. You could literally change your animal in this game as well. As you can see, I'm a cat. But originally oh, oh. That went so wrong. Okay, there we go. Now have y'all come with me right here. You could literally change your animal in this game. I don't know if you guys could see me through the mirror, but it starts you off as like a gorilla when you first start the game. And then yeah, you could choose any animal you want. You just gotta fiddle around with this if like y'all can't see it. But that's basically what y'all do. Just you could literally customize anything, yeah. Starting with clothing, if like y'all feel that's most important. And yeah, outfits and stuff. And the main part of the game, it's in the name Animal Company. You could like change into any animal you want. And they're still adding games as we speak. And there's like lots of options over here. Hold up. Look at that. Lots of options over here. But you will have to save up quite a bit. And it's gonna take you a very long time, just like it did for me. But this is a very fun game for me. So, as to what I'm gonna do here. Trying to think. One of my favorite things to do, it's how you get lots of money. Well, lots of nuts, coins, and then research points. Y'all gonna know soon. Once yeah, for those who don't know what this game is, but I'm pretty sure lots of people do. Now, anyways, just gonna get my little gear. We about to go mining, yo. We about to go mining. Y'all come with me? Okay, just making sure y'all still with me. Okay, there we go. That went so wrong. Okay, I'm just gonna walk very slowly. I'm walking backwards to make sure y'all stay close to me. Because this is where we go mining. There's also monsters down there and stuff. So, okay. Oh. Okay, I get it. Yeah, they really gotta fix that. Cause literally halfway through the entrance, it like it's kind of like, I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, they gotta fix this stuff. Cause can't take y'all. I literally gotta take the camera back out halfway into the entrance. Alright, enough of me yapping. I'm just go ahead and start this adventure. Let's get it. Okay, hold up. Come on, come on. Oh my gosh. Okay. There we go. Okay. This is what I kind of do whenever I play the game, which is pretty much almost every day. Is like, I really like this game. Alright. And oh, there's one over here. Boom. Alright, now we can go into the lava cave. Okay, nice and clean. Oh no, no, okay. Okay, oops. Coins, 20 nuts. At least a lot of these crystals that we bought. Also, if y'all looking for a very specific currency like coins or something, then the yellow crystals that I just mined, that's how you get coins. And these, when you look on your watch, the pink stuff, that's also how you get it. But it's kind of a little bit difficult to get. Like, you have to mine a couple of these before you actually start getting them. See if I get lucky here. I already have 4 of those pink things on my watch. Okay. Whoa! That was close. I almost fell in the lava. Yeah, it's gonna be a rough trip, so I'm gonna have to. Okay. Boom. Okay, y'all go right there. Oh, the first monster I have to face, Armstrong. Wait. Dang it. I wanted to know what was in there. Yeah, too late. Okay. Jackpot. Holy jackpot. And I got 50 nuts from that. Okay. I'm gonna go through at least robot bomb monster down there. Okay. I'm gonna at least go through 2 caves, and then that'll be it. Then I don't know what I'm doing after. But I know the first thing I want to do was go mining. Okay. Whoa! Whoa! Come here. Wait. Okay, I gotta turn around. Wait, come here. There we go. Okay. Much better. Okay, hang on. Wait. Gosh. Alright, good. Done so far with the pink stuff. I'm only getting lots of the white stuff called the nuts. On your watch it'll be green, but yeah. They're like most easiest to mine and get. Like most easiest. The coins are second easiest, and the pink stuff is like the least easiest. Yeah. That's why I go through every inch of this cave. Okay. Oh. Oh. Do I mine these? Oh yeah, these are called lava ores. You can only like get them in certain places where like there's like a lava zone. Whenever there's a lava zone, you could literally get these. Sometimes you get 25 nuts from these. And yes, they turn into these little flying ore pieces. And you can actually sell them. But now that I've already gone through every inch of the cave, I'm gonna just take y'all back so I can show y'all how to sell.